Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you played some music or started a movie, but your computer is not making any sound? Most sound playback problems on your computer are caused by some audio misconfigurations, temporary software glitches, outdated drivers, and more that should be easy enough to fix with a few simple steps. In this video, I will recommend 5 solutions to fix the no sound problem on your Windows 11 computer. Let's go. If your computer has been turned on for a long time, it can often cause software instability, resulting in possible audio glitches and other problems. Therefore, make sure to give your computer a reboot to refresh its system services. After restarting your PC, check to see if your computer is playing sound again. For cases where rebooting the computer doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to make sure that all the necessary audio settings are configured correctly. On the taskbar, right-click the speaker button and go to Sound Settings. First, make sure the correct device is set for your PC's audio output. It might also help to plug in an external audio device to see if the problem is with your computer's built-in speaker or not. Next, check the volume slider, which must not be muted, and adjust it to the maximum level for better audio testing. In case there is no obvious misconfigurations in your sound settings that you can see, Windows has a built-in automatic troubleshooter that you can use to find the exact cause of the audio problem. Search for Troubleshoot Settings and go to Other Troubleshooters. Click the Run button next to Audio to start the automated audio troubleshooter and let Windows diagnose the issue. Read the Windows diagnostic and follow the instructions that the program suggests to fix the problem automatically. Windows also has a built-in audio service that plays sounds, routes audio input and output to appropriate devices, and more. As well as a complete reboot of your computer, a direct restart of the audio service can resolve sound issues. To restart it, click the Windows and R keys and enter services.msc. Locate Windows Audio. Right-click on it and select Restart. Besides audio services, audio drivers are also responsible for processing audio signals, managing devices, and supporting various sound features. Like any software component, these drivers are often updated with new features and bug fixes. If the audio issue is possibly caused by outdated drivers, the next solution should be to update them. Open Device Manager and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Locate your computer's default audio device or sound card. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. If the update doesn't work, try reinstalling your audio driver instead. Right-click the audio driver and select Uninstall Device. When the driver has been successfully uninstalled, be sure to restart your computer so that Windows can reinstall the driver. Then try to play your music again and see if you can hear any sound. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.